and welcome to our show, Math Sense. On today's show, we'll be talking about slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Make sure to remember that it's something you'll learn only in Miss Li's class. So if you'll
have to also use it later in this episode.
So if you're not on the Orion team, you really should know that because the teachers just won't tell you. Now, we're here in the beautiful Yellowstone Forest of southern Vermont, where grapefruits, oranges, and, let's see, even papayas are growing on the trees. Yeah. That's a good size one.
Yeah, that's
we'll
really
slice
good.
this one up later. Yeah. Anyhow, so my name is Professor James Gray. I'm a teacher of trigonometry at the Harvard Medical School, and this is my associate.
I am Joe the Scientologist, and I just graduated from a plumber school near you.
That's right. All right, folks, enjoy.
Let's go.
Hi, folks. Come on in. We're back. We're here at Lake Winnipesaukee in southern North Dakota, and we think we might have just heard the call of the rare but wild math sense. Right over here, folks. Let's check this out.
Let's check it out.
All right. Yes, I think I see it. It's a Y.
Oh yes,
Here
definitely.
It is. All right, it's definitely a Y, folks. So it makes sense that it would be in a tree, as I and the professor were just discussing.
Yeah.
Because the y-axis goes up and down, as opposed to the x-axis, which goes across. You can think of x, horizon, because it goes across. That doesn't make any sense, technically, because there's no x in horizon, but, you know, that's what Miss Lai teaches us, so that's what you gotta learn. Alright, so we think there might be more right up ahead, but I'll take this papaya for more nourishment.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Save it for later.
Yeah. An equal sign. Yes, an equal sign. Now, a y and an equal sign could probably go together. Say, this papaya. The y, this is the papaya. Something has to equal this papaya. So, the growing, water plus sun plus the tree plus the seeds equals the papaya. So the equal sign means something equals the papaya, the y. So y equals... There's got to be something more though.
There must be. It doesn't seem complete.
Yeah.
Because there's only two things. It doesn't even equal anything. It's just a blank space for us to figure out.
Up ahead.
Whoa!
It's an M.
It is.
Now, an M in a math circumstance often stands for slope. M is slope. Repeat after me. M is slope.
Very good.
Alright, so, some cases, M can stand for someone's initials, but that's beside the point. Now, why? Maybe, it's interesting. I think we'll have to come back to this, because right now we have a Y, an equal sign, and an M.
It could be something like, something equals my... No, they don't make words. That's right.
Ask Miss Lai about that.
Let's
But
check.
there might be more out there. Let's go. Yes. It's an X. Now, the X, as I said before, stands for the axis that goes across. It is also just a variable that can be used in either an equation, which is a set of numbers and variables with addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, with an equal sign separating some of them. Or, X can be used in an inequality, which is a less than or equal to statement. Now, y mx. So maybe it could be ym equals x, but...
I don't seem to remember any equations with just those three.
Yes, it seems like...
There should be something more.
Yes, something more. Let's go.
Over there?
Hi folks, welcome back. We're here at Lake Michigan in beautiful Cape Town, South Africa, where we're basically looking for the math sense. We know it's somewhere on this beach, but where? So far, I'll summarize for you. We have a Y, an equal sign, an M, and an X. We're not really sure what to make of it, so
we'll go searching for more.
That's right. Now, it's right there. The papaya was hiding it. Ugh. Alright, so here we have a plus sign. Now, a plus, which is a cross, is an addition sign. Now, addition is the opposite of subtraction, which has something to do with multiplication, which is the opposite of division. Now, if you look at all that and put it together, it makes no sense. But ask Miss Lie, or just watch Season 2, Episode 6 for more on that. Now, we seem to have a Y, an equal sign, an MX, and an addition sign.
Now, we can either add some of those, or there could be something else.
That's right, but
And I'm always searching for something more, so let's go.
yeah. Oh man, it's there. I tripped
Right
over
there.
it on my way in. It's a bee, right here, on the ground. It's a good thing I didn't quite step on it.
Could have
Jeez.
crunched it.
Yeah, easily killed. But don't worry, it's still alive. Now, we seem to have a Y equals MX plus B. Now,
That sounds like an equation to me.
Yeah.
That rings a bell.
yeah. Well, maybe we'll look at all these together. Although it's getting a little cold out here, I think it went from about 40 to 70 degrees in about 5 minutes. Whew. Let's check it out. Hi, folks. Well, the sun is just rising and it's 8 p.m. here, so it's almost time for us to leave. But we'll be back next week. First, let's review what we've learned this week. Other than that, papayas are plentiful in the mountain forests of the eastern Congo. Now, the professor and I are going to explain this in lots of detail.
Lots and lots and lots.
Y equals mx plus b, said the great math guru, Noah Lie, may her life be long and plentiful, is slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Now, you can use this equation to graph lines, to plot points on a graph, to find slope, and to find intercepts on a graph. Now, if you had watched last week's episode, you would know what intercepts, slope, and points on a graph are. But just watch that on our website for more. But thanks for joining us today, and I'm sure the professor can say the same. We've enjoyed having you. And make sure to watch next week when we teach you how to loiter properly in Miss Lie's class. So long!